Today I'm gonna show you the making process of this YouTube banner in Photoshop. Hello, I'm Kunal. I'm freelance designer. I make album covers and thumbnail. So everything started with this image I found on Pinterest. I think it's AI, but who cares?
Nobody cares.
Let's open up Photoshop and build the rest. I drew this logo inspired by I am Groot style. It will be placed in the center as the base of our banner. Next we take this logo to the ChatGPT and use the prompt in the description to add realistic vines around the text. I already cleaned the image, remove extra parts and blended with the theme and fix the lighting to match the banner. Now we make the background and place the element in positions. I fill the background with the green color, then add a jungle image and reduce its brightness to make it look dark. Now we arrange all the elements and then blend them together. Now we blend everything so it matches the theme. So this is the final result. I just did a little retouch. Now you tell me in the comments how this panel looks. If you don't understand anything, you can join my Discord server and ask me there.